Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. What's the most important thing when it comes to cooking? It's using a great pan that's easy to clean and cooks really well. This one from FAVIA is exactly that. This non-stick pan is made of a smooth, green-friendly surface, and the grooves provide just the right amount of space so that you have plenty of room for fats from meats to soak off. The pan works well whether you're cooking seafood, meat, vegetables, whatever you put in it. I really like that on the bottom you can clearly see the induction here works really well so that you get really consistent, even cooking. The pan also has a detachable handle, so it's easy to store in your cabinets, or you can just use it on your cooktop without the handle. The pan is also super easy to clean. You can see that everything just comes off really quickly because of that non-stick surface. It works great with my ceramic cooktop, so nothing scratches on the surface, but rather you can just enjoy your cooking. If you're looking to cook with a great, safe, non-stick pan that's also really easy to clean, then go with this one from FAVIA. You will definitely be pleased, and that's my point of view.